80 years separates the field kit that a Second World War infantry soldier carried from the bug-out bag that a serious modern prepper builds for 2026. In those 80 years, materials science has advanced dramatically, nutrition science has produced calorie-dense options unavailable in 1944, filtration technology has solved water purification in a 2-ounce package, and communication technology has put global information access in a device smaller than a wallet. The modern prepper has access to vastly superior individual components than the World War II soldier carried. The modern bug-out bag is frequently worse than the World War II field kit as a system. The reason is the design constraint. The World War II soldier's kit was designed under a constraint that is absent from voluntary prepper kit building. Every item had to be carried by a human being on foot across variable, hostile, and often extreme terrain for extended periods without resupply, and the physical consequences of excessive weight, reduced mobility, accelerated fatigue, increased injury risk, were not theoretical but immediate and measurable in operational effectiveness. That constraint forced a design discipline that the absence of external enforcement makes difficult to replicate voluntarily. Every item justified its weight by specific function, every function covered by the minimum item count, total weight calibrated against real human physical limits rather than against what feels acceptable in the living room. The World War II mess kit, stamped steel pan with folding handle and cover, under 500 grams, is the iconic expression of this discipline. One item addressed cooking, eating, drinking, food heating, and in-field improvisation, digging, signal reflection, and container storage. Nothing in the modern camp kitchen aisle approaches this ratio of function to weight, because the modern camp kitchen aisle is not designed under the constraint that weight has to justify itself against operational necessity. It is designed under the constraint that items should feel like good value and look good in a product photograph. These are different constraints producing different results. The modern equivalent of that design discipline applied to comprehensive preparedness coverage is a coordinated survival system that provides first aid, shelter, tools, carry, and emergency gear in a single integrated package rather than as separately purchased items accumulating weight without corresponding integration. The 250-piece survival gear kit, with WWII system-compatible bag, emergency tent, first aid kit, comprehensive tools, and organization system, applies the integration principle that the World War II kit represented to a modern preparedness context. The WWII compatibility means it attaches to in coordinates with tactical carry systems rather than requiring separate organization. The link is in the description. The food design principle that the World War II military ration applied, caloric density per unit weight maximized, preparation requirement minimized, shelf life extended to support prepositioning, is the same principle that freeze-dried emergency food applies correctly and that most commercially marketed emergency food fails on at least one criterion. WWII's emergency food supply, 120 servings, freeze-dried, up to 25-year shelf life, meets all three criteria simultaneously: maximum caloric density at minimum weight, preparation requiring only hot water, shelf life that makes this a one-time purchase rather than a rotation management requirement. The link is in the description. The design discipline that the World War II field kit applied and that the modern bug-out bag needs is not nostalgia for simpler times. It is the recognition that weight is the enemy of mobility, that mobility is survival, and that every item in a bug-out bag either earns its place against that standard or it makes the bag heavier and the builder slower at the moment when weight and speed matter most. Subscribe to InTheBeginning. The product links are in the description. See you in the next one.